Even thickness wins every time. This chicken needs structure, so give it a solid whack. Flatten it just right. No weak hands here. Welcome, kings, queens, and jokers, to another episode of Jeremy's 12 Days of Keto Christmas. Alright, today we're using that leftover jalapeno popper filling from our pork loin video. Never waste good flavor, folks. Layer on some thinly sliced ham. Don't skimp, every bite counts. Now spread that popper filling evenly right down the middle. Add a little more ham to make it extra meaty. Build a strong foundation. Roll it up like you're stacking those chips at the poker table. Every roll needs balance. You want a perfect bite every time. Take your time here. Consistency wins hands, just like in poker. Now look at that. A full house of flavor already stacked inside. Into the oven it goes, or the air fryer if you'd like. Time to let the heat do its magic. Golden brown is the goal. Don't rush it. Look at that golden crust. Chef's kiss. Golden, bubbly, and perfect all the way through. Alright, catch you next time on Chop It Like It's Hot with Judd.
Fork me. I'm all in. Now that's a full house of flavor.
Thanks for watching. Now smash that like and subscribe button. Don't forget to share.